Hello everyone, thanks for stopping in. We are going to be doing a painting video for you. We're not going to get into much detail, but it's matching the V37 pre-Rapala brown craw. So let's dive right in. Let's go spray some paint. Okay, let's get to it. I think we're all set up. Not many colors that goes in this. This is my original V37 that we're going to be matching. This is the V37, my original, we're going to be matching. This is what the customer's wanting. A little bit concerned about the two wiggle boards you sent me. This one's got hot or something. It's kind of bowed up. Anyway, we'll see how that is. We got his wiggle board stuff taped off. We're ready to rock and roll. It's going to take several coats when you're doing this one of this color because you can't see this, but I also got another one pulled up on my iPad right here at the paint booth. And this is a very dark brown orange color. If you look right down here at the bottom, you can see the orange. So it's a lot lighter, and then it's a lot heavier on the coats toward the top and the bow. So the top and the bottom of the lip are going to be the brown, and then we just have the red belly and the black back. We'll use that for reference. If you can see that over there, which let's get started. We're just going to do some light coats. See how it's darkening up? I'm gonna have to do cross hand stuff because I haven't got set up in my new booth yet. But before we do that, I'm gonna get the lip of this bait. First coat down here. Start to really darken up along the back. Three or four coats, and when I say 3 or 4 coats, it's obviously more than that, because we did 2 or 3 light coats building it up. But between when I dry, we're building that color. This is one of them that you just about have to have the lure to get it to the proper shade. You see what I mean? Like, we're not quite there. You would think that'd be brown enough, but we've got a little bit more to go on the shoulders, and we'll leave just that little bit down at the very bottom. We need to come on down with a little more of the brown, and obviously lip color on the bottom. We got a little bit of ways to go too. So we'll go ahead and forget the red for now, and we'll work on shading this brown. And this should be our final coat. I'm going to have to peel that tape back.
Go take back to close the
lure color underneath. I don't even remember now. sandblasted these a while back. Now, these were some old beaters, but they'll, that one's gonna run a little different than the others just because I believe she's got hot and swole up a little bit, but. Okay, let's do a little comparison. I don't know if you can tell in these bright lights. Let me know if we've got the banding going on. It looks like I've got that fixed, but man, it's bright down in there, which I need for the old eyes, but it looks good. Once we get the black on the back, that'll help darken that up, but that's about as dead of a match as you can get. Reverse this so that we can get to the belly, and we can also expose that taped edge because we're gonna blend that best we can. But I'm gonna first get our red in, and again, we're matching the color. Generally 2 or 3 coats. Again, coats in my book is between dry sessions, because that was really about 3 coats right there, which is going to get us really pretty darn close here. Yeah, I'm kind of digging that. Now let's get Blade. I'm loving my new booth, man. On number 2, I'm gonna crank it up one more. Can't even hear it. Okay. Actually, I think these were like a brown. I don't remember, but we're gonna spray a little bit of brown over them, just to kind of blend that in. I'm running pressure a little high, but that's okay. So oh yeah, looks great. I'm a little concerned that this wiggle wart isn't going to fit in my 3D, not 3D, but vacuum form stencil, because there's no way that dude's going in there. He make it work because it's flexible, but I don't know. All right, let's move some paints out of the way. We got to get to our hole sizer. We're going to come back in with white just so we can get that eye color. We got to get that bright yellow to pop. So we need, God. And we're going to go ahead and spray some yellow, but I'm probably going to dab it too because I really want it dark. So that'll do all but kind of cover up the white. And I'm going to drop some of this yellow in with this nail to really thicken that up. And she looks kind of bulgy, but we'll drag it around there. And we'll spray it again, and that'll thicken it up. After it gets good and dry, yeah, we're gonna have to come back on that anyway, because Goofball here has forgotten to do the black. See if we can sneak that in up there. Okay, let's see if our 3D, I call them 3D. Let's see if these things are gonna fit this. Man, I'm gonna, yeah, it's dry. Boy, it's gonna stretch. Probably not gonna be as good edges as we wanted. A little more confined in this area so far. Just gotta figure your area out, you know. That's always the key. Figure out your hands and placements and everything. Everything. You just gotta figure it all out. All right, we're nearly there, guys and gals. We just need to touch up our yellow. Well, we don't have yellow loaded because we put black in there. Well, yeah, I got to get me one a little farther out there. Okay, guys, let me know what you think of this match. Get that clear coat on it. Now, you can look at that hump. I'm going to let him know, but hell, he can fish it. For dead on, man. That is the V37, guys. Thanks for stopping in, checking out the channel. As always, guys, have great fishing. For those of you that send custom orders in, we'll be able to get a move on now. So I'm back. I've got the booth built. I'm inside. I don't have to deal with the humidity and the heat and the cold in the wintertime. So we'll be able to push your orders out and stay a lot more on time than I have been in the last 2 or 3 months. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up there. Leave comments. Guys, any patterns out there that you'd recommend, put them in the comments area below. Until next week, Green Country Custom Baits, signing out.